मज़ीद एजुकेशनल एंड जॉब्स अपडेट्स के लिए हमारे चैनल पैगाम सिंध ऑफिशियल को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें। शुक्रिया।
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you guys are doing well. Okay, so today we will be discussing class 4th science notes composed by Fida Hussain. Our table of content includes 10 chapters and we will be discussing all of them one on one. Chapter number 1, our body. Number 1, milk teeth are 20 in number. Number 2, sources of calcium are milk, bananas, eggs, spinach, etc. Number 3, skin protects internal organs from environmental effects and infections. Number 4, skin provides a sense of touch. Number 5, flesh of body is made up of muscles. Number 6, muscles are attached with underlying bones. Number 7, muscles and bones work together to produce movements. Number 8, bones help to protect our vital organs like heart, liver, lungs, etc. Number 9, stomach is a sac-like structure. Number 10, lungs are present in chest cavity. Number 11, lungs are spongy sacs which keep on expanding and contracting. Number 12, lungs expand when we inhale air. Lungs contract when we exhale the air. Number 13, lungs absorb oxygen gas from the air. Number 14, heart pumps the blood to different parts of the body. Number 15, brain is the control center of body. Number 16, diarrhea results from eating stale food. Chapter number 2, characteristics and needs of living things. Earth is the only planet where life exists. Number 2, air contains gases like nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Number 3, plants absorb carbon dioxide during the daytime to prepare their food. Number 4, plants prepare their food in the presence of sunlight. Number 5, animals and plant bodies contain 70% of water. Number 6, movement of plant and animals from one place to another is called locomotion. Number 7, leaves of some plants and petals of most flowers open in the morning and close in the night. Number 8, touch me not is a plant shows rapid movements of leaves when touched. Number 9, seeds grow into young plants called seedling. Number 10, when a seed is transferred into a plant, it is called growth. Number 11, transfer of characters from parents to offspring is called heredity. Number 12, a human baby is similar to human. This property is called heredity. Number 13, kittens look like cat and a puppy looks like a dog. Number 14, life cycle of butterfly is starting from eggs, eggs to larva, larva to pupa, pupa to adult. Number 15, larva of butterfly is also called caterpillar. Chapter number 3, food and health. Number 1, potato, wheat, rice, corn, and all types of sweet fruit contain carbohydrates. Number 2, potatoes are a rich source of carbohydrates. Number 3. Food contain proteins are meat, chicken, pulses, milk, etc. Number 4. Protein helps in growth and healing of wounds. Number 5. Carbohydrates provide instant energy. Number 6. Fats provide more energy as compared to carbohydrates and proteins. Number 7. Vitamins are mostly found in fruits and vegetables. Vitamin D is found in milk. Number 9. Vitamin A is found in carrots. Number 10. Vitamin C is found in oranges. Number 11. Vitamin B is found in green leafy vegetables. Number 12. Minerals perform functions like building strong bones and teeth, etc. Number 13. Iron is present in meat, eggs, apple and spinach. Number 14. Potassium is found in bananas, tomatoes, peas, beans and peanuts. Number 15. A diet which contains all the food groups in proper amount is called balanced diet. Number 16. To keep healthy, we need balanced diet. Number 17. Food pyramid is an outline of our balanced diet. Number 18. Proteins are building blocks of our body. Number 19. Fats are present also in the yolk of eggs. Number 20. Fats are represented at the topmost portion of the food pyramid. Number 21. Flesh of our body is made up of protein. Number 22. Hygiene means to keep ourselves clean. Chapter number 4. Living things and their environment. Number 1. The natural world that surrounds a living thing is called its natural environment. Number 2. All types of environments that have two main components, biotic and abiotic components. Number 3. Land animals have thick skin. Number 4. Water environment plants have long elastic branches which do not break in strong water currents. Number 5. Birds have hollow bones and less weight with pointed bodies. Number 6. Whales and dolphins are not fishes, they are mammals. Number 7. Whales and dolphins come above water to respire. Number 8. Animals which eat only plants called herbivores. Number 9. Animals which eat flesh called carnivores. For example, tiger, lion, cat, dog, whale, dolphin, many other fishes, etc. Number 10. Animals which feed on both plants and animals called omnivores. Omnivores example is crow, hen and human beings. Number 12. Plants are producers. Number 13. Animals eat producers called consumers. Number 14. When animals and plants die, their dead bodies are decomposed by bacteria and fungi called decomposers. Number 15. Due to decomposition, the nutrients are returned to soil. Number 16. The relationship of eating and being eaten is called food chain. Number 17. Boat-shaped body of fish help them in movement. Number 18. Fins are the organs of locomotion in fish. Chapter number 5. Matter and its states. Number 1. Anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. Number 2. Matter is found in 3 states: solid, liquid, and gas. Number 3. Solids are hard, fixed shape, and fixed volume. Number 4. Volumes and shape of solids do not change with pressure. Number 5. Liquids do not have any fixed shape. Number 6. Liquids take the shape of container. Number 7. Liquids have fixed volume and can flow. Number 8. On heating, liquids convert into gas. Number 9. Gases have no fixed shape and volume. Number 10. Gases adopt the shapes and volume of container in which they are placed. Number 11. Matter can change from one form into another by heating. Number 12. Component of mixture can be separated by 2 methods. Number 1 is descentation. Number 2 is filtration. Number 13. Descentation is the method used for separation of insoluble solid from the mixture. Number 14. The process of transferring a liquid without disturbing the solid particle is called descentation. The process of separation of an insoluble solid from a liquid by passing it through filter paper is called filtration. Number 16. Water is a mixture. Number 17. The 3 states of matter can be converted into each other. Chapter number 6. Heat and its measurement. Number 1. Heat is a form of energy. Number 2. Heat flows from hot objects to the cold objects due to difference in temperature. Number 3. The degree of hotness and coldness of a body is known as its temperature. Number 4. A thermometer is made up of a glass tube which is filled with mercury or alcohol. Number 5. A thermometer measures temperature in degrees. Number 6. There are 2 commonly used scales on thermometer. Number 1. Fahrenheit scale. Number 2. Centigrade scale. Number 7. Centigrade scale is also called Celsius scale. Number 8. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees C. Number 9. Freezing point of water is 0 degrees C. Number 10. The freezing point of water at Fahrenheit scale is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Number 11. The boiling point of water at Fahrenheit scale is 212 degree Fahrenheit. A small thermometer used to measure human body temperature is called clinical thermometer. Number 13. Fahrenheit scale on thermometer is marked from 95 degree F to 108 degree Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit scale has 180 divisions. Number 15. Centigrade scale is marked from 75 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. The average temperature of a healthy person is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. In laboratories, used centigrade thermometer. Laboratory thermometer is marked from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Number 19. Laboratory thermometer is large in size than clinical thermometer. Chapter number 7. Force and machines. A force is a push or a pull exerted by one thing or another. Number 2. A force can change the speed of a moving object or change the direction in which the body is moving. Number third, force can also stop a moving body. Number four, the speed of an object is defined as the distance covered in unit time. Number five, anything that helps to make a work easier is called a machine. Number six, examples of simple machine are hammer, stapler, cutter, piler, pulley, wheelbarrow, etc. Number seven, screwdriver and scissor are called simple machines. Number eight, lifting a box is pulling. Chapter number 8, Sounds. Sound is produced by vibrating bodies. Number 2, the sound that has a pleasant effect on our ears is called pleasant or musical sound. Number 3, the sound that has unpleasant effect on our ear is called noise. Number 4, sound cannot travel in vacuum. Number 5, the rabbit turns its outer ear to capture sound waves. Number 6, solids, liquids, and gases are medium through which sounds can travel. Number 7, sounds need a medium to travel. Number 8, snakes do not have ears. They feel the vibrations by their tongue and detect their prey and enemy. Chapter number 9, Electricity and Magnetism. Number 1, the flow of electricity is called current. Number 2, we need electricity to run an electric fan. Number 3, the materials through which electricity can pass are called conductors. Number 4, all metals are conductors. For example, iron, gold, copper, aluminium, etc. Number 5, the materials through which electricity cannot pass are called insulators. Number 6, plastic and rubber cannot allow electricity to pass because they are insulators. Number 7, the path in which the current flow is called circuit. Number 8, when the wire is connected and bulb is lit, this is called a closed circuit. Number 9, when the wire is disconnected and the bulb is off, this is called open circuit. Number 10, a magnet attracts things made up of iron and has two poles, north and south. Number 11, the magnets which are made with the help of electricity are called electromagnets. There are two types of magnets. Number 1, natural magnets. Number 2, artificial magnets. Number 13, natural magnets are found in nature. Since they do not lose their magnetic qualities, they are called permanent magnets. Artificial magnets are man-made. These magnets can lose their magnetic ability easily and are called temporary magnets. Number 15, the end of magnet is called magnetic poles. Number 16, a magnet has two poles. Number 17, north pole of magnet repels north pole while attracts south pole. Number 18, the property of magnet to attract things is called magnetism. Strong magnets are used for lifting heavy load through cranes. Chapter number 10, Movements of the Earth. Number 1, the Earth is like a big ball, but it is not a perfect sphere. Number 2, the Earth spins or rotates on its axis. Number 3, the Earth takes 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4 seconds for one complete rotation. Number 4, One rotation of the earth on its axis makes one day. Number 5. The equator divides the earth into two parts. Number 6. The upper part of the earth above the equator is called northern hemisphere. Number 7. The lower part under the equator is called southern hemisphere. Number 8. During the spin, half of the earth receives light from the sun and hence observes day. Number 9. The other half of the earth does not receive any light from sun and observes night. Number 10. The spin of earth creates day and night. Number 11. Circular movement of one thing around another is called revolution. Number 12. Earth revolves around sun. Number 13. It takes about 365 days and 6 hours to make one revolution around the sun. Number 14. The Earth's axis of rotation is tilted at 23.5 degrees. This tilt of the axis creates the seasons. Number 15. If the earth was not tilted, there would be no seasons. Number 16. The earth's tilt on its axis causes the North Pole to be inclined towards the sun for half of the year and South Pole to be inclined towards the sun for the half of the year. Number 17. When it is summer in the northern hemisphere, this hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. At this time there is winter in the southern hemisphere. Spring and autumn occur in between these orientations. Number 18. Closer the planet to the sun, the revolution will be quick. Thanks for viewing. It is a project of teampaigamsindh.com. For more feedbacks and educational and latest jobs updates, please subscribe us on YouTube channel at Paigam Sindh Official, on Facebook page Paigam Sindh Official, website www.paigamsindh.com. Thank you so much.
मज़ीद एजुकेशनल एंड जॉब्स अपडेट्स के लिए हमारे चैनल पैगाम सिंध ऑफिशियल को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें। शुक्रिया।